Hello friends, welcome to the Binary Options channel. Today's video will plunge many into shock. Well, actually for this I will strive. I will try to make as many trades as possible without a single loss. That is without a single minus, without the use of a martingale and the similar thing. If you like it and you want me to record a detailed video about this method of my trade, be sure to put Huskies right in the comments of your wishes. Many, yes, I even say almost everything, argue that the market is impossible to make 100% forecast. In this video I will try to prove the opposite. I think that if I can do 30 or more plus trades in a row, without a single minus, it will be a pretty good argument to refute the claims that the market is impossible to do absolute best deals. Well, enjoy watching and be sure to subscribe to the channel and put like. Links to the site where I trade will be in the description.
Boy, this is Lose Yourself, covered by the French band Endless and Down with some motherfucker. And it goes like this. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arm the heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti is nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to draw bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth but the words won't come out. It's choking how everybody's joking now. The clock run out, time's up, off the blood is now back to reality, yo. The ghost gravity, yo. The ghost gravity choke is so mad, but he won't give up. That is, he know he won't have it. He knows he holds back to this rope. It don't matter, he don't. He knows how, but it's broke. He's so sad that he knows when he goes back to this smoke. But home last money, back to the lab again, yo. It's all rap shit. They better go capture this moment. Hope it don't.
You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. Better never let it go. Only got one shot. Do not miss your chance to glow. This opportunity come once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself to the music the moment you own it. Better never let it go. Only got one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime.
So escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A number of life is boring, but superstars who's close to postmodern. He only grows harder, only grows on. He's blown his whole lover. This all is all on him. Cost to cost shows. He's known as club trawler. London road club only knows his grandfather. From home he's no father. He goes on the valley, knows his own dollar. But all you know, so here goes the cold water. These shows don't want him no more. It's cold water. They moved on, the next move flows. He knows though it's all nada. And so the show opera stole its and fall. But I suppose it's all partner. And the beat goes on.
You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. Better never let it go. Only got one shot. Do not miss your chance to glow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself to the music the moment you own it. Better never let it go. Only got one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime.
Count down the flow and never give up. These days that will come, we suck it up. And it goes, we count down the flow, but we never give up. These days that will come, we suck it up now. And it goes, lose yourself to the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, and now miss your chance to blow. Opportunity comes once in a lifetime.
You better lose yourself to the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go.
You only get one shot, but now miss your chance to blow. So opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Time.
Здравствуйте, друзья! Рад приветствовать вас на канале Бывалый Трейдер. Сегодняшнее видео многих повергнет в шок. Ну, собственно, для этого я и буду стараться. Я постараюсь